found the camping spot.
In this video we continue the trip up along the east coast of Australia in my van. We had spent the night in a hotel because my van had been making a weird noise and I took it to the mechanic. The next morning I got some bad news from the mechanic shop.
Just got a phone call from the mechanic and he said that he took my vehicle apart, but now he can't put it back together, which is not good. So I'm about to go over there and see what's going on.
We had been traveling the east coast of Australia, but we're now about to check out the city of Newcastle and then go and pick up my van. The city of Newcastle is located on the east coast of Australia in the state of New South Wales. You have very many amazing beaches just very close to the city. There are 540,000 people in the city of Newcastle and very many extraordinary beaches where you can go swimming.
Yeah, behind the scenes.
Behind the scenes, after swimming in the ocean and walking to the lighthouse.
A lighthouse, yeah.
Lighthouse. During the First World War, Newcastle used to have a great steel industry. That's why the Russians wanted to come into Newcastle and take all the steel. That's also why we have a defense mechanism right here. They used to shoot down the planes and the boats coming in. There was a 360-degree weapon here that they used.
Even today, Newcastle has a great steel industry, but it's also the world's largest coal exporting harbor in the world. You can always see huge cruise ships exporting and importing commodities.
Just got the keys back to the vehicle, but now let's see if it starts. Var ska jag då?
Kör bara någonstans. Kör till macken där borta. Så kan vi kolla vart vi ska. Den har ett ljud nu.
No, then there is a sound still, but it runs. I guess we'll drive it until it breaks. That's my plan for now, at least. Drive it until it breaks. The car is running well, and now we are here at the cinema. Yeah. So we're here at the cinema, but we were going to see a movie called Beast, right? Beast.
Fantastic Beast.
But they didn't have it, so we didn't want to go to the cinema anymore. And now we are waiting for our coffee. Coffee. No cinema, but we are heading back to the beach. We have a working van now, and we are on our way to park somewhere for the night, and then we're gonna bring up the campmaster. Jag är nöjd. Är du nöjd med vin?
Ja.
Väldigt nöjd.
Ja.
Yeah. We found the camping spot for the night with a really good view.
It's really great that you can park anywhere in Australia and sleep there.
Är du hungrig?
Jag är sugen.
Sugen på vad?
Typ.
We were sitting in the van, eating chips and looking out at the view. But then, there was a car that destroyed our view.
Move out of the way.
Australia is probably the most free country I've ever been to. You can just park on the side of the road and sleep anywhere you want and make food.
Oh, it's time to go swimming in the pool. Yeah. It's time to go swimming.
There are a lot of waves in Newcastle, but the water is so refreshing. Even though there are a lot of buildings along the coast, there are still a lot of parks that you can enjoy hanging out in.
Hallå? Är du hungrig?
Ja.
The sun was about to set, and I started bringing up my portable table and stove, and also filled up the pot with water to start cooking.
Today we are making pasta carbonara. The stove is on. Great success.
The food was cooking, but I was running low on gas.
It's almost empty. So that's why I have another one here. Butane gas.
Okay.
So here we have pasta carbonara. I'm gonna mix that into the pasta. I'm gonna take some corn from a can. Special recipe. And then I'm gonna dump all the corn in here. And then we have some tuna. And then we're gonna dump the tuna in here. Like that. And then we're gonna mix it all around. You spin me right round, baby, right round.
Just eat the Baltics.
Good night.
Good night.
Please follow me on social media and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel.